So very good afternoon dear students. Welcome to our mathematics class. Before class discuss about sum of nth term of the geometric progression. What is the formula for the sum of nth term of the geometric progression is Sn is equal to a into 1 minus r to the power of n divided by 1 minus r when r is less than 1 or r. Sn is equal to a into r to the power of n minus 1 by r minus 1 when r is greater than 1. So whenever less than 1 value is there, we can apply this formula. Whenever more than 1 is there, we can apply this formula. Sum of nth term of the geometric progression is Sn is equal to a into 1 minus r to the power of n by 1 minus r, or else Sn is equal to a into r to the power of n minus 1 by r minus 1. Here a is called first term, r is called common ratio, n is called number of terms, Sn is called sum of the nth terms. Yesterday I explained the 3 problems. I gave 2 homework problems. I hope everyone finished the 2 problems. Now we are going to 6th problem. So how to find the number of elements? Listen carefully, very important. 6th question: how many elements of the geometric progression 1, 2, 4, 8 so on amount to must be, not amount, must be, so must be taken amount to 255. First of all, everyone read the question. First of all, you can understand the question. What they are given, which value to find. So what they are asking, how many elements of the geometric progression? How many elements will be there in the sequence? You don't know, that's why to calculate number of terms or else number of elements. What are you asking? How many elements of the geometric progression means how many elements in the sequence? Don't know, that's why to calculate number of elements. Next, must be taken amount to 255 is they are given total sum amount, they are given 255. Given one sequence, total amount they are given. How many elements is there in the geometric progression? To calculate this, to find the values n. Okay, everyone understood? It is clear? Right solution. Given series is 1, 2, 4, 8 so on in geometric progression. Now here a is called first term value is 1, common ratio r is equal to 2 by 1 is 2. To calculate number of elements, some total sum amount they are given 255. To calculate sum of number of elements, that's why to calculate n value. Now applying sum of nth term of geometric progression is, which formula suitable here? R is greater than 2. So which formula apply? Second formula is applicable. Sn is equal to a into r to the power of n minus 1 by r minus 1 when what is r value is 2. 2 greater than 1 means r is greater than 1. This formula is applicable. Now substitute the values. Sum of n value that is given 255. 255 is equal to 1 into r value is 2 power of n minus 1, 2 minus 1. So I am writing directly 255 is equal to 2 power of n minus 1 because of 2 minus 1. 1 get cancelled, or else 1 into 2 power of n minus 1 value is 2 power of n minus by 2 minus 1 value is 1. This is 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 1 get cancelled, or else 2 power of n minus 1 by 1. 2 power of n minus 1 by 1 value is 2 power of n minus 1. After that, to calculate n value. Minus 1 taking left hand side. 255 minus 1 we can take in left hand side, we get the value is positive 1 is equal to 2 power of n. 255 plus 1 value is 256 is equal to 2 power of n. How to find the n value? Right hand side 2 power of n is there, left hand side value is 256 is there. How to find the n value means whenever right hand side value, which value power will be there, this one value you can convert that power. Right hand side what is there? 2 power of n. So this one value also to convert 2 power of some n value. 2 power of how many times product with the 2? 256 we get 2 power of 8 times value is 256 is equal to 2 power of n. So now applying the formula is a power of m is equal to a power of m is whenever bases are equal, then power measure should be equal. What is the power equal? M is equal to n. Like that, whenever both the bases are equal, then measure should be powers are equal. 8 is equal to n. So means n is equal to 8. So finally we got the sum of 8th terms value is 255. Everyone understood? Now they are asking how many elements of the geometric progression. How many elements will be there in the sequence? You don't know. That's why to calculate number of elements. The total sum amount they are given. Total sum is equal to 255. How many terms? Don't know. That's why we have to find the values. n. Now applying the formula is Sn is equal to a into what is the power of n minus 1 by r minus 1. We are applying all the values. Finally we got the n is equal to 8. So sum of 8th terms value is 255. It is clear? Everyone understood? Any doubt is there? I think no doubt at all. The next 7th question. So very easy. So only to calculate sum of number of elements. So 7th question. How many elements of the geometric progression? 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, so on must be taken amount to 31 by 32. Here also to calculate how many elements of the geometric progression means how many elements is there in the sequence. Don't know sum of numbers to calculate. So now what is the given series is 1 by 2 comma 1 by 4 comma 1 by 8 so on in geometric progression. Here a is called first term 1 by 2. Common ratio any term divided by first term. So 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 right reciprocal 2 by 1. 2 1 ja 2 2 ja. So 1 by 2 is nothing but 0.5. This value must should be r is less than 1. We can apply about first formula. To n is equal to calculate sum of total amount they are given 31 by 32. Now apply sum of nth term of geometric progression is Sn is equal to a into 1 minus r to the power of n divided by 1 minus, because of r is less than, r value is 0.5 is less than 1. So apply values. Sn value they are given 31 by 32 is equal to a value is 1 by 2. 1 minus r value you can write 1 by 2, write 0.5. 1 by 2 whole to the power of n divided by 1 minus 1 by 2. 31 by 32 is equal to 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 2 whole to the power of n. This value is 1 by 2. Because of 1 minus of. 1 minus of value is off only. That's why 1 minus of value you can write off. Now of get cancelled. Of get cancelled. Remaining value is 31 31 by 32 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 whole to the power of n. This value take left hand side, this value can take in right hand side. So minus 1 by 2 to the power of taking left hand side, we get the value is 1 by 2 whole to the power of n. Right hand plus 1 as it is. This value taking right hand side, we get value is 31 by 32. So 1 by 2 whole to the power of n is equal to, that LCM is 32. Cross product 1 into 32 is 32 minus 1 into 31 is 31. 32 minus 31 value is 1 only. So 1 by 2 whole to the power of 1 value is 1 by 32. So 1 by 2 whole to the power of n is equal to, before 2 power of n is equal to 256 is there. 256 to convert in terms of 2 power of 8 times, like that. Here left hand side function 1 by 2 whole to the power of n is there. That's why 1 by 32 value must also be to convert 1 by 2 whole to the power of n times. So that's why 1 by 2 whole to the power of 2 how many times product with the value 32 should get 5 times. So 2 power of 5 value is 32. That's why 1 by 32 can be written as 1 by 2 whole to the power of 5. 1 power of 5 value is 1 only. 2 power of 5 value is 32. Now a power of m is equal to a power of n implies m is equal to n. Whenever bases are equal, then also should be powers are equal. So n is equal to 5. N is equal to 5. Right? Conclusion: sum of fifth term's value is 31 by 32. Everyone understood? They are given one sequence. Total sum amount they are given to calculate number of elements in the geometric progression. Which formula suitable here? R is less than 1. Which formula that is? Sn is equal to a into 1 minus r to the power of n divided by 1 minus r. 1 minus 1 by 2 we can take LCM. Master should be finally get the 1 by 2. That's why 1 minus half value is half only. Half of it cancel. After that minus 1 by 2 to the power of taking left hand side. This value taking right hand side. Left hand side function value is 1 by 2 whole to the power of n is there. But here 1 by 2 32 is there. This total function to convert 1 by 2 whole to the power of n times. That's why 1 by 32 can be written as 1 by 2 whole to the power of 5. Whenever bases are equal, then masses should be powers are equal. What is the powers here? N is equal to 5. So total sum of the term value is 37 by 32. Everyone understood? Please sir. Now we are going to 8th question. So very easy. Only to calculate number of elements in the geometric progression. So next 8th question. How many elements of the geometric progression 2 by 9 minus 1 by 3, 2 by 9 minus 1 by 3, 1 by 2, so on must be taken amount to 55 by 72. 55 by 72. So here also to calculate sum of number of elements. The given series is 2 by 9 minus 1 by 3, 1 by 2, so on in geometric progression. Here a is equal to 2 by 9, common ratio minus 1 by 3 by 2 by 9. This one right? Minus 1 by 3, 9 by 2. 3 1 ja 3 is equal to minus 3 by 2. Next, to calculate n value, they are given total sum amount 55 by 72. Negative value, this is minus 1.5. So which form is applicable? First form is applicable because of negative values. Sum of nth term of geometric progression is Sn is equal to a into 1 minus r to the power of n divided by 1 minus r. Because of negative values, 1.5 is less than 1. So now applying all the values, Sn value is 55 by 72, a value is 2 by 9 into 1 minus 3 by 2 all to the power of n divided 1 minus of minus 3 by 2. Now simplify the right hand side value. 55 by 72 is equal to 2 by 9. 1 minus 3 by 2 all to the power of n. We can write this one 1 minus or minus 3 by 2. 1 plus 3 by 2. The LCM is 2. 2 and the 2. 2 plus 3. 5. That value is, I am writing directly 5 by 2. After this, you can simplify this one. 1 minus of minus plus 3 by 2. 1 plus 3 by 2. Take LCM is 2. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 by 2. That's why I am writing direct value 5 by 2. After that, simplify. 5 by 2 will go in the numerator, right? Reciprocal. 55 by 72 is equal to 2 by 9 into this one, right? Reciprocal 2 by 5 into 1 minus of minus 3 by 2 all to the power of n. 55 by 72 is equal to numerator 2 into 2 4, 9 5 ja 45 into 1 minus 3 by 2 all to the power of n. After that, these two values are cross multiplication, only these two value. 45 will go to the numerator, 4 will go to the denominator. So 55 into 45 divided by 72 into 4 is equal to 1 minus 3 over to the power of n. So 9 is possibility, 9 5 ja 9, 8 ja. 55 is 2, 75 divided by 8 4 is 32. Plus 1 is equal to 1 minus 3 by 2 all to the power of n. This value take left hand side, this value we are taking right hand side. Minus 3 by 2 all to the power of n is equal to 1 minus 275 by 32. After that, LCM we are taking 32 minus 275 by 1 is 32 is equal to minus 243 by 32. Minus 3 by 2 all to the power of n is equal to minus 243 by 32. This value to convert in terms of minus 3 by 2 all to the power of n means minus 3 by 2 all to the power of 5. Minus 3 all to the power of value is minus 2. 243 to the power of value is 32. Because of left hand side, what is the function? Base value is there. Right hand side value also to convert the base function. So now bases are equal, then multiplication to powers also equal. So now n is equal to 5. So sum of fifth term's value is, sum of fifth term value is 55 by 72. Listen carefully. They given one sequence, the total given sum amount to calculate number of elements in the geometric progression. So now y value is minus 1.5 is, it is a negative value. That's why we are applying the first formula. Now applying all values, finally we get the minus 3 by 2 all to the power of n is equal to minus 2 by 32. So now here minus 3 by 2 all to the power of n is there, but right hand side value is minus 243 by 32 is there. Whenever left hand side base is minus 3 by 2 is there, this one will also to convert minus 3 by 2 all to the power of some n value. That's why minus 243 by 32 can be written as minus 3 by 2 all to the power of 5. Whenever bases are equal, then also should be powers are equal. So n is equal to 5. Sum of fifth term value is 55 by 72. So everyone understood? It is clear how to find the number of elements in the geometric progression. Next, everyone understood? Next, ninth question. Very easy. So only applying the formula, after that substituting all the values, finally we got the n value. First of all, we can understood the question. So I am explaining step by step. So confusion also is not there in this all the problems. Next to ninth question. If the third term GP 12 and sixth term is 96. Sixth term is 96. Find the sum of 9 elements. Find the sum of 9 elements. So read the question carefully. What they are given? Which value to calculate? They are given third term value is 12. Means they are given T3 value is equal to 12 and the sixth term they are given 96. Means T6 value they are given 96 to calculate sum of 9 elements. So what they are given easily can understood. Given that what is the given third term? Third term they are given 1. So T3 can be written as third term is nothing but A square is equal to 12. How you wrote this one means normal what is the geometric progression as the form is n is equal to A into R to the power of n minus 1. What is in place of m? 3. So T3 is equal to A into R to the power of 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 value is 3. So third term can be written as A square is equal to 12. Consider question number 1. And what is the next term they given? Sixth term they given 96. Sixth term they given 96. Sixth term can be written as A into R to the power of 5 is equal to 96. Consider equation number because of T6 is equal to n replaced by 6. A into R to the power of 6 minus 1 value is 5. That's why sixth term can be written as A into R to the power of 5. What they are asking to calculate sum of 9 elements means to calculate sum of 9 elements. So anywhere also they are given 9. Okay? You don't know A value, you don't know R value. Only given the 9 N value. To finally to calculate sum of 9 elements. Listen carefully. They are given third term value is 1. Third term can be written as A square is equal to 12. To consider equation number 1. Sixth term they are given 96. Sixth term can be written as A into R to the power of 5 is equal to 96. What they are asking to calculate sum of 9 elements means yes n. So n is equal to 9 they are given. So finally to calculate sum of n elements, if you want to A value and R value required. A value and R value. How to find the A value and R value? Now solving equation 2 and 1. Solving equation 1 means equation 2 divided by equation 1. Equation 2 divided by equation 1. What is equation 2? A into R to the power of 5 is equal to 96. What is equation number 1? A into R square divided by 1. Because of divided with the left hand side by left hand side value, right hand side divided by right hand side. Listen carefully. Numerator A, denominator get cancelled. 12 1 ja, 12 8 ja. Now what is the left of the function? R to the power of 5 divided by R square is equal to 8. Now this function can be written as A power of m. A power of m divided by A power of n is equal to A power of m minus 1. Like here applying the formula, R to the power of m minus n is R to the power of m minus n is 5 minus 2 is equal to 8. Now R cube is equal to 8. So R cube is equal to 8. So now find the R value. How to find the R value? R cube is equal to 8. R cube is equal to 8. If you want to R value, how to convert this value? Because of power what is there? 3 is there. Which number multiply with the 3 times? If you get 8 value, 2 cube value is 8. That's why 8 can be written as 2 cube because of left hand side function, cube function is there. This one also to convert cube. Which number multiplied by 3 times we get 8 value is 2 cube. So listen here. Whenever powers are same, bases are equal. That's why 3 get cancelled. R is equal to 2. So now we got the R value. Next, if you want to A value, that's why r value means r is equal to 2 value, substitute in equation number 1 we can substitute in equation number 1. So what is equation number 1? A r square is equal to 12. So now r replaced by 2. 2 square is equal to 12. So 2 square value is 4 is equal to 12. Now 4 1 ja 4 3 ja. So now a is equal to 3. So now a value got, r value got. Now substitute the sum of the nth term of the geometric progression because of r value is 2. So second form is applicable. Now applying the sum of nth term of the geometric progression form is Sn is equal to a into r to the power of n minus 1 by r minus 1. Why are asked to calculate sum of 9 elements? So n replaced by 9. So what is the value is 3. What is our value? 2 power of 9 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1. So a value is 2, 3. R value is 2 power of 9 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 is equal to 3 into 2 power of 9 value is 5 minus 1 is equal to 3 into 2 minus 1 value is 1 only. That's why only I am writing in the denominator. 2 power of 10 value is 5 minus 1 is 5 11. So product with 3 1533. So sum of 9th element value is 1533. Listen carefully. Then given third term value, then given 12. Third term can be written as a square is equal to 12 to consider equation number 1. Next, then given sixth term is equal to 96. Sixth term can be written as a to r to the power of 5 is equal to 96. What they are asking? Sum of the 9th elements. So it means 9 to calculate sum of 9 elements. So if you don't know a value and r value, that's why to calculate a value and r value. How to find the a value and r value means solving equation 2 and 1 means divided by the equation 2 by 1. So a can cancel, r to the power of 5 minus 2 is equal to 8. So 5 minus 2 value is 3. So r cube is equal to 8. If you want to r value means here what is the differential function? R cube. Cube function is there. 8 also to convert cube function. That's why 8 can be written as cube. Both the side cube can cancel. R is equal to 2. Whenever you are getting r value, that value substitute any one equation. 1 or 2. I am substituting in equation number 1. You will get the a value is 3. Next to calculate sum of the 9 elements. That's why second form is applicable because of r value is 2 is greater than 1. That's why you can apply the second form. Sn is equal to a into r to the power of n minus 1 by r minus 1. Now substitute the values. A value is 3, r value is 2 power of n minus 1 by 2 minus 1 value is 2. So 2 power of n value is 5 minus 1 is 5. 3 into 511 value is 1533. Finally we got the sum of the 9th element value is 1533. Everyone understood? It is clear? Next 10th question. Very easy. Next one is 10th question. The question is the first and last elements of the geometric progressions are 5 and 50 respectively. 5 and 50 respectively. Find the next they given the sum is 65. The sum is 65. Find the common ratio. Find the common ratio. We are applying two formulas. One is the nth term of the geometric progression. Another one is sum of nth term of the geometric progression. So listen, what is the given question? The first element value they are given 5. Means first element is denoted by small a. Small a value they are given 5. Next, last element they are given 50. The last term is denoted by n value is equal to 50. Total sum Sn value they are given 65. To calculate common ratio means it is denoted, common ratio is denoted by smaller. Finally, to required value is smaller. So what is the given that here? Given that first element value is 5. Given that first term or first element, the first element denoted by small a. Small a is equal to 5. Next, last element or last term. Last element is given 50. So last element is denoted by L or Tn. L or Tn is equal to 50. This is given. Next, what is the total sum amount they are given? 65. Sn is equal to 65 they are given. So common ratio to calculate. Common ratio divided by smaller. Okay. Now which form we can apply? First we can apply the nth term of the geometric progression. So now nth term of geometric progression is Tn is equal to a into r to the power of n minus 1. What is the nth term value? This last element value is 50. 50 is equal to a value is 5, r value is don't know, correct, r to the power of n minus 1. Now 5 1 ja, 5 10 ja. So 10 is equal to r to the power of n minus 1. We are applying a power of m minus n can be written as a power of m divided by a power of n. So now r power of n minus 1 can be written as r to the power of n divided by r to the power of 1. So 10 is equal to r to the power of n. R to the power of n value is r. After that, cross multiplication. So 10r is equal to r to the power of n. So this will consider equation number 1. So listen once again. Now we are applying nth term of the geometric progression is n is equal to a into r to the power of n minus 1. Real value is 50 is equal to a value is 5 into r to the power of n minus 1. 5 1 ja, 5 times ja. So 10 is equal to r to the power of n minus 1. Here a power of m minus n can be written as a power of m by a power of n. The formula of minus 5 r to the power of n divided by r to the power of 1. R to the power of n value is r1. R is cross product left hand side. 10 into r is equal to r to the power of n. Consider equation number 1. Next we apply sum of nth term of geometric progression is, we are applying any one formula. You can apply r is less than one formula or else r is greater than one formula. That is your wish. Because of r value you don't know, that's why you can apply any one formula. I am applying second formula. Sn is equal to a into r to the power of m minus 1 by r minus 1. So what is the total sum number they are given? 65 is equal to a value is 5, r power of m minus 1 divided by r minus 1. From equation number 1, 5 1 ja, 5 15, 5 1 ja, 5 15. So is 13. So 13 is equal to r to the power of m. From equation number 1, what is r to the power of m? R to the power of n value is 10r. That's why in bracket I am writing from equation number r to the power of n value is 10r. That's why r to the power of n replaced by 10r. So 10r minus 1 divided by r minus 1. After that here anything not there is type 1. After that cross multiplication. 13 into r minus 1 is equal to 1 into 10 minus 1. In product 13 into r is 13r minus 13 is equal to 10r minus 1. R value is one side, constant value one side. 13r minus 10r is equal to minus 1 plus 15. This is a dr is equal to 12. 3 1 ja, 4 ja. And we got r is equal to 4. This is a common ratio. So everyone understood? They are given first element is denoted by small a is equal to 50. Last element they are given last element denoted by small l or Tn is equal to 50. 50. They are asking to calculate common ratio is to required values small or value. Next they are given sum of values 65 is SN value 65. Here no need find the n value. That's why because of why you are applying nth term of formula means they are given last element. That's why according to last element we are applying the nth term of geometric progression n is equal to a into r to the power of n minus 1. We are substituting all the values that we got. R power of n is equal to 10. Stop the solution. Stop this one. After that, now applying the sum of the nth term of the geometric progression is here applying any one formula. You can apply r is less than 1 formula or else r is greater than 1 formula. So I am taking r is greater than 1 formula. Sn is equal to a into r to the power of n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Total sum amount is given 65 is equal to a value is 5, r value don't know that's right as is r to the power of n minus 1 by r minus 1. 5 1 ja 5 30 ja. Next listen from equation number 1 r to the power of n value is 10r. That's why r power of n replaced by 10r. Remaining minus 1 remaining as is divided by r minus 1. That cross multiplication 13 into r minus 1 is equal to 1 into 10r minus 1. Product with 13r minus 13 is equal to 10r minus 1. Half comes taking one side. 13r minus 10r value is 3r. Minus 1 plus 13 value is 12. 3 1 the 3 1 the. So r is equal to 4. Finally we got the common ratio value is r is equal to 4. Everyone understood how to solve the common ratio? How to find the common ratio? There is a process. First of all, we can read the question carefully. What are the value they are given? Which value to find? You are understood? Easily write the solution. Everyone understood? It is clear? Okay. Thank you all.